It's recording. I got it. Okay, you're cute.
Okay. Hi.
Just start already.
Okay. My name is Marissa Watts. I'm 14 years old, and this is my first YouTube account. You'll notice that in a lot of videos that I do, it's gonna be with my friends.
Shamu, love you.
One of them for my first video is gonna be my best friend Kendra.
I love her. If you hurt her, I will kill you.
She is my mother and best friend for all reasons.
One time she had this thing on her tongue, it totally freaked me out. So I'm like, go see a doctor.
And it's gone.
Did you go to the doctor?
Yeah.
Did you go to the dentist?
No.
Did you tell them that you need braces?
Yes.
When are they gonna give you braces?
I don't know.
I gotta slap the person that's in the front cut. No, I can't talk tonight. Hello. Oh, by the way, I'm like advertising here, but you're not gonna pay me for this. Okay. There's also another account that I'm on. It's KAY133995. It's me and my other friend Kaylee. So yeah, I hope you enjoy our videos there. We'll be making more during the summer.
But that doesn't matter because it's my account.
Exactly.